Hi everyone, it's Mike, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Mora Bushcraft forest knife. Now I wasn't too sure of the name of this knife, but I noticed the forest one, so I just looked it up and it said Bushcraft forest, so that's what I'm calling it. But you know, if you just type Mora forest knife in, I'm sure it'll come up. So anyway, this is a usual high quality Mora knife. A bit more expensive than the Mora clipper. It's like the 1-up of the Mora clipper, or 2-up. I'll put the Traflex as the second up, and then this one is the next one. So yeah, it's an upgrade of it. So I'll bring you in for a close-up. So it comes in the usual, like a plastic Mora sheath as usual, which is can just get this to there's Mora there. Should put my camera in macro mode for reviews really, but don't matter. Has a belt clip here. It's more of a flexible belt clip than the clipper, so that's an upgrade. Drainage hole at the bottom there. So now to the blade. So it's like a 4.5-inch blade, 2mm thick, 1095. I think it's stainless steel, this one actually, I'm not sure. Has a really nice rubberized contoured handle, better than the Mora clipper ones in my opinion, but for the money, you know. With like a green pommel here, plastic pommel. Again, I think it's only like a quarter or half or 3/4 tang knife, but no matter. So it has like a little finger guard here also. So really nice, good grip in the hand. Now what you may have noticed is the actual blade grind. So it is a Scandi here, but here it's like almost like a flat ground convex type edge. You can see that very well. So it's like changes the profile up here to this, and then Scandi there. As you can see, it says Mora just there. So I suppose what we best do is give this a quick test. So I'll put the camera down. It should do. So I'm just going to cut off this. This here. Break this off. I think this is cherry, guys. So there we go. So that's that cut off. Just put that back where it was. So now what I suppose we need to do is a little bit of the fine carving stuff first. So I'll put a point on this. Now usually with this you use the back part of the blade, so I'm using the Scandi part of the blade. But as you can see, no trouble. And then for the fan work, the actual front bit does very well. It's like flat ground bit, the fan work. Put the notch in here. And yeah, majority of the time you might want to use the Scandi part of the knife, but the other bit does have a lot of uses. put a very quick little notch in there for you, like that, and I'll just do a quick feather. So that's a point, notch and feathers, very fast. So now what I suppose we need to do is a quick bit of chopping. So I'm just going to chop through this using a baton. So for this bit I'm more using the like the convexy type flat ground area of the knife. So which actually seems to take chunks out very, very well if you tilt a knife and hit it in, and takes nice big chunks out of this stick. Can't snap it yet. Yeah, there we go. That's broken now. So now I suppose we best batten through it. So again, using the scandy area of the blade. Straight through. Yeah, it's easy. There we go, guys. Great little knife. So I'll just zoom you back out. Sorry about that. Zoom out. Just got stung again. Right, so this is the Mora Forest. Retails for about, I think it was $23.95 when I bought it. As you can see, great knife, you know, with the two profiles of the edge. It makes actually chopping through a log a lot easier. It takes chunks out, it works. Obviously nowhere near as brute force like my potbelly, but it works like my potbelly when you can see it taking the chunks out. Great knife, especially if you're a beginner. Obviously it's still on quite a good budget as well. Really quality knife. I would really advise you to go buy it. So guys, this has been my review of the Mora Forest. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe. Please check me out on Facebook, Strat2206 Bushcraft. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one.